channel. Today, my mom is going to be making this delicious Pav Bhaji, and it's a delicious dish, also known as our favorite snack. Want to know how to make it? Here we go.
Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to make Pav Bhaji recipe. The ingredients we need: pav bread, 1 big onion finely chopped, 2 large tomatoes finely chopped, some mixed vegetables. Today I chopped 2 potatoes, 2 carrot and some green beans and peas. These are the vegetables I took. You can include cauliflower or any other vegetable as you like. And 1 capsicum finely chopped, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon jeera, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half a lemon, 2 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon pav bhaji powder, required amount of salt and oil and butter. These are the ingredients we need. The first thing, we are going to cook all the vegetables. I am using today pressure cooker. You can cook in the pan as well. I am going to add all the vegetables. Required amount of salt and half a cup water. Mix well and cook until it gets soft. After 2 whistles, my vegetable cooked well. Now you can see they are very soft. Using a smasher, just smash all the veggies together. Now smashed vegetables is ready. Keep it side. Then we will make masala. At last we will add the smashed vegetables. Now let's make pav bhaji masala. Heat a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Along with some cooking oil. You can use only butter as well. Once butter got melted, add the chopped onions and required amount of salt for onion and tomato. We already added salt in the veggies. Saute well. Now the onions are sauteed well. I am going to add ginger garlic paste, cumin seeds. Fry well until the raw smell goes. Now I am going to add the spices. This is pav bhaji masala powder, some turmeric and required amount of red chili powder. Mix well. Then add chopped tomatoes, chopped capsicum, mix well and cover the lid and cook until the tomatoes get soft. Now you can see the tomatoes are cooked well. At this stage I am going to add the mashed vegetables. Mix well with the masala. After mixing the veggies with masala, we are going to smash one more time. Then add half a glass of water. Mix well. Then little more butter and cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes. There is one more thing you need to remind. While cooking the vegetables, don't add too much water. Then the gravy will become watery. After 5 minutes, the masala is ready. We are going to add the lemon juice and some coriander leaves. Switch off the flame. Just mix well. Our pav bhaji dish is ready. Now heat a pan. We are going to toast the pav breads. Add some butter. Cut the bread into half. Then we are going to place. Same way, one more bread. Add little more butter. Just gently press it. After a minute, we will turn it other side. Now we are going to turn the bread other side. And cook until it brown. Now both sides toasted well. We are going to switch off the flame and take it out. Now our delicious pav bhaji is ready. I hope you all like it. Thank you for watching.
Now, as you can see, the delicious Pav Bhaji is ready. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button down below. And click the notification bell so you get notified every time we make a new video. See ya! Thank you for watching.